Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Alright, so today I want to show you some very nice finger exercise you can do on the keys. Okay, so let's just go straight to the point. So there's this common one. So when you do your 1 3 2 4 3 5 2 4 1 3, this might be more for beginners, but then it works for everybody. So we have a 1 3. I'm pressing the notes 1 3 in the key of C, C and E, D and F, E and G, D and F, C and E. So I'm doing that pa 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 pa. So I'm doing those notes, and I'm also using my fingers 1 3 2 4 and 3 5 on my left hand, and also on my right hand. Also on my right hand, rather, on my left hand I'm using 5 3 4 2 3 5 4 2 5 3. So you can do that. You can do the minor. So you can do the minor also, C minor. And one good thing is you can take this exercise to every key. The minor. So you can do this on. So you can do this. So you can do this on all keys, right? Work on this and let me know. Give me the feedback on how it helps you. Let me know the country you're watching from, and don't forget to check the description of this video to get my intermediate piano course and many of my other courses. God bless you. Bye.